My name is Siddhant Saha. I have completed my engineering from IIT Bombay. After that, I have a formal work experience of 15 months. I interned at Bain Capability Network as an associate consultant. In Bain, I was allocated my service line of consumer products, where I had to work under two projects, mostly for the creation of industry point of views. Personally, I look at two things before selecting a company for an SIP. One is role and one is brand. Role, again, because it will decide eventually how my career pans out, whether there are growth prospects for me in that as well, or and whether I'm meeting my expectations from my future. Secondly, brand, because it adds value to my CV and it adds a sense of trust to my CV as well, for the lack of a better word. So these are the two things that I look for while selecting an SIP. I cannot point at one particular fact which made me stand out, but what I think is Bain looks for these things for in their employees. One is result-oriented approach towards work. Second is structured thought process, and third is the ability to ask the right questions, and also answer them and deliver them properly. What another thing that I found out that they look for cultural fit, so they look whether we can gel up well with their team as well or not. So I think it was a mix of these things which made me stand out among other interns. And yes, this was the first time that Bain conducted online internships, and that's true for many other companies as well. So even us and even our mentors were not very familiar with this online mode of work. So one of the biggest hurdles that we faced was for each and every hiccup, we had to set up a Zoom call, which was very inefficient because we were working under a time crunch. We had to deliver something tangible at the end of the day, and to set up a Zoom call for each such dependency or for each such problem, it wasn't very efficient. So apart from this, I do not feel we faced any major hurdles. So our day started at around 9:30 with a call amongst our teammates. So we worked in an agile manner uh, where we delivered something tangible at the end of every day, and we had to mail it to our mentors who use it for their purposes. So again, we started the morning with a call where we planned out what we would do for the rest of the day. Then we went on about our individual work. Then again we had a call at around 1 or 1:30 just before lunch, and we finished our day at approximately about 9:30. But again, this it was flexible. Some days it was 7, some days it was 11, and yeah, with our mentors we had 2 or 3 calls each week. So these calls were really important for us because they actually helped us guide our project. They actually told us what we were doing right or what we were doing wrong, and it helped us to gauge the expectations that they had from us and actually deliver something valuable for the company. So BCN released the CV shortlist, and after that they conducted 2 rounds of interviews. Interviews mostly consisted of questions on our background, questions about why Bain, why consulting. After that there were case-based guesstimates. Both the rounds comprised of this, and after that there were results. Then again there was the 8-week internship, and after that I just received a call from my placement committee that I had received a PPO.